We interrupt the regular scheduled program for
an unboxing.
first bag of 2025. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and thank you for joining me in the Babe Cave today. I have a new bag from Quince that you will want to see, and thank you to Quince for sponsoring this video. You know I like Quince. I have, how many do I have? 4 or 5 of Quince bags because I love their leather and their customer service. The lady I work with, she is very cool. Hey, Laurel. She sent me this bag because I know that some of you will jump on it as soon as I show it. Without further ado, let's get into this box. I hope you're having a great day because I got this delivered yesterday and I cannot wait to show you. If you like inspired bags like I do, then you're gonna love this. And there are 3 colors online for it. Let's see what color I got. So here it is. Very nice box that it comes in. Quince has upped their packaging since I first started collaborating with them. I also noticed more people are unboxing Quince bags and Quince clothes. And I do have a sweater coming because I'm curious about the clothes as well. So I will let you know when that comes in, but first is the bag. So here's the dust bag. It's a cream. It's not super thick dust bag if you care about dust bags. I don't care about dust bags unless it's suede or a finicky material. I don't care about dust bags. Okay, are you ready for this? Boom! Yes! It is the Italian leather patchwork crossbody in the color Merlot. It's a reddish burgundy. It's darker than it's coming off on screen. Look at this zipper. Okay, I gotta pull this off. That is awesome. And you know it looks similar to something else. And it's similar to the horse bag I got. You're not surprised why I picked this one, are you? The color is more like the color you're seeing back here. I have natural light coming in. So here's what it looks like up close. Beautiful stitching. It has that piece that goes all the way around, and look at that! Feet on the bottom. Yes. This is so nice. The hardware is silver. Let's see what this pocket looks like. So you can fit maybe a card holder if you wanted to put one in the back. I think you could put a card holder in this, or maybe your Aldi quarter, who knows. Maybe a chapstick might be too bulky on that. So, okay, so there is the front and the back. And the price on this bag is very reasonable. It is $139.99. This right here is cheaper than the horse bag. And it's leather. And here are the little silver hooks for your crossbody. Okay, it's the same as the horse. It has magnetic closure. This is a gorgeous color. Here's my Quince tag. And it has the same color as the bag on the interior linen lining with Quince logo and a zipper pocket and a snap pocket on the other side. It's really pretty and really roomy. Now, for smell, I don't smell the leather like I smell on the horse bag. My nose knows leather, and it is leather. It's just, it does not have the smell of the horse bag. So if you didn't like the horse bag smell, you might go with this one. So the magnetic works really good, and it'll go bloop. Maybe not that smush, but it'll do the same thing as the horse bag. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me give you the measurements. It's 10 across, 6 high, and 4 in the depth. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Do you like the horse bag? Do you like Quince? Are you going to get one of these? I'm telling you, the quality that I get when I get Quince bags is just as good as Dooney and Coach. And sometimes better than those. So if you're wanting a good little puzzle dupe, this inspired bag is awesome. And it comes in cognac, black, and merlot. So I wanted to try the merlot, and it's more like a maroon color. Back here is the color. So just so you know, it's silver hardware. I already mentioned that. So let's look at the strap. Packaging is on point for Quince. If you've ever ordered from them, they're really good at packaging. Now I had one card holder that had the tag little button had indented the card holder a little bit. But other than that, I've had excellent packaging. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustments. Silver hardware. And here is the clasp that they used. Very nice, very nice. So, shall we try this on? But first, let's cut the tag. Boom. Putting the knife up, don't worry. I like that it's an extra D-ring for the strap instead of using the same as this top handle. Because I think a lot of people do like to use this bag top handle. At least I do on my horse bag. I really enjoyed it top handle. My hair's doing whatever it's doing. I was too excited. I needed to come in here and film ASAP. So like I said, you could do top handle. Now let's do mod shots. So this is on the setting that it's currently on. You could make it a shoulder if you like shoulder carry. Let's see what it looks like crossbody on this setting. Oh, that's too high. I'm 5'6", so I need to adjust it. We're gonna put it on the last hole and see where it sits. And it does come with the extra keeper for the extra part of the strap, which is a definite plus. Yeah, this is about where the horse bag is as well, so ignore the pants. Super cute. This is on the longest setting, so if you're any taller, it will be up higher. It might be a great shoulder bag for some people, but this is just cute. And then this is what it looks like as the top handle. If you just want to rock it top handle, too cute. The leather is soft. This again is called the Italian leather patchwork crossbody on the Quince site, and I will of course be linking it down below. Use my link. It does help me get some commission if you do use it, so I appreciate that as well. It doesn't quite have the sag that the horse does, but I will come back when I have carried it. And these are just my first impressions right now, so I will come back with a further review and see how this pans out. But so far, I love it. And the color, so I have a hard time with reds. But I don't have a hard time, as you know, I have a Michael Kors that is a similar color to this. Let me grab it. It's not similar. Let me put a close-up up here. The Michael Kors is a little bit more raspberry, and this one's a little bit more muted maroon, as you can see. And let me go get my horse bag and compare those. Here is the horse bag compared to the Quince bag. There's the sides. Here's the back. No zipper on the horse bag. And they have leather feet, and Quince has metal feet. This one is heavier because of my chain, so it is sagging. Ooh, let's put the chain on the new bag. It is silver hardware after all. I didn't remember what the hardware color was, but I am so glad it's silver. I have so many gold hardware bags, which I love gold, but I have been wanting more silver. And this is the chain that I use, and it's from Amazon. I have linked it before. I'll try to link it again if you do purchase this bag. Let's see what it looks like. I was talking and I didn't hit record. So here is the chain with my Quince bag. It doesn't fold exactly the same as like the horse bag, but I think it has to do with this patchwork, the detail that they have going on. But again, magnetic closure, cute chain. I like it. I like it. Here's the, with it, if you use it as a crossbody, there's a slight wave to the leather right here, but I think when you put your stuff inside, it'll smooth out. So what do we all think of my new bag? Let me know down below. I have worked with Quince for at least, well, this will be the third year, I think, or second year. And I really like this company. I will have the link down below to this bag. And remember, it comes in Merlot, Black, and Cognac. I love their leather products and their leather bags. And for $140 for a inspired bag is a great price range for it. They have free shipping and easy returns. So if you have a defect or anything wrong with it, contact them. They'll send you out a new one. I really like the zipper in the back too. Don't know what I'm going to use it for, but something. So thank you again, Quince, for sponsoring this video. I know that not everybody likes sponsored videos, but I am very choosy on who I collaborate with, and Quince has knocked it out of the park every single time. So I continue to work with them because I like their products. I believe I have a sweater from them as well, so I want to try maybe some clothes and dip into other products that they sell so I can try them and review them. And I will be in this probably for a week and give you my first impressions or how I carried it and all that, so stay tuned for that. That is all. I will continue with the series of 2023 bags that left my collection. That will be the next video, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my video and my bag. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. I would love to keep growing, and I appreciate all of you for watching my channel. Hit the bell so you won't miss my future videos, and that is all for today. Oh, I wanted to show you my bag of the day. I am in my Dooney & Bourke Zip satchel. So pretty. I tend to wear neutral colors, so I like a bag that pops like this. But I also like my neutral, shades as well. That is all I had for today. I appreciate all of you, like I said, and until next video, I will talk to you soon. Bye!